Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back and welcome if you are new. Well, today is another Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is an open invite collaboration. It's conducted every Sunday at 7 p.m. You can make anything from a smoothie, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert. You can do takeout, you can film yourself eating out at a restaurant, whatever your preference. If you want to share a favorite recipe or meal with us, this is the perfect venue for you. Quick and Easy Meals are hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. and it's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. We would love to have you join us in this open collab. So guys, today it is absolutely beautiful outside. It was cloudy here in the DMV earlier, but right now it's really nice out. So I'm not out today. I'm busy tomorrow, so I thought today I would make my dinner Saturday for Sunday because tomorrow I'm busy. So I don't like to eat out at restaurants, you guys know that. So I thought that I would make my dinner today and share it with you. So today I'm going to make stuffed peppers. I would say it's a pretty regular dish, but it's one that we like nonetheless. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you off the ring so that you can see the ingredients in this meal. I've made it so many times, I don't even need a recipe, guys. Made it so many times, but I'm going to take you off the ring and let you see, what I'm putting into my stuffed peppers. Okay, keep watching. Okay guys, here are the seasonings that I'm going to be using today in my stuffed peppers. I usually put a little heat on mine with the cayenne pepper. I'm going to put this, add a little Worcestershire sauce, in my protein. You see my peppers, a little onion, and instead of using today turkey or beef, I decided to use chicken. Let's just switch it up a little bit. And of course I have my cheeses, rice, pasta sauce, and celery. Now people call celery, green pepper, and onion the Trinity. And so, the Trinity of cooking, I would say. And so that's what we have going on here. So I'm going to get this all started. I'm going to start off, let me see what I'm going to start off doing. I'm going to start off putting together this rice, and then I'm going to cut the tops off of these peppers, get them all cleaned up and ready to parboil so that I can, bake them in the oven. And of course, I'm going to cut up the celery and onion. So when I get all of that cut up, because I don't want to make this video all long, you guys know how to cut, veggies up. So I'm going to do that and then I'll come back. Okay, keep watching. Okay guys, so I am going to fix these stuffed peppers on 350 in the oven for 35 minutes roughly. And so I have my Wolfgang Puck fryer that I love. So what I'm going to do is, you can see, is I cut up my celery and onion. I didn't use a lot. I don't think you need to use a lot because it's just two of us here, so we don't need a lot. So I'm going to saute them, and I'm not using oil, like olive oil this time. And I might use a little olive oil, but guess what I'm using, guys? I'm using butter because it's more flavorful, I think. And when you go out to restaurants, they use butter. Now, I'm not using a lot of butter because when you go out to restaurants, they use a lot of butter. This is what I'm using. So I'm going to saute these veggies here in this fryer, and then I'm going to add the ground chicken. Now, in the meantime, what I'm going to do is start the rice, okay? So keep watching. Okay, I just want to mention one thing. With this Uncle Ben's rice, I'm not using water. I'm going to use 2 cups of this chicken broth with the rice, and I'm going to bring that to a boil. I don't use water unless I don't have any chicken broth, okay? Keep watching. Okay guys, so I have my rice done. It's not done, but I just I put it in a pot and it's simmering. I'm gonna simmer that for about 20 minutes. I put my Worcestershire sauce and my seasonings in my ground chicken. So that's you know, I'm working on that. And so now I'm going to clean off these peppers. Clean these off real good. And you know, I got the right size pan that will fit all 6 of these peppers. You know, so what's nice about this is that, you know, you can have leftovers. Because, you know, you don't want to, even though I don't like eating out, I don't want to cook every day. I'm not crazy. So I try to fix meals where I can have some leftovers, okay? All right. Cut the tops of these peppers off. Let's see, I'm not sure if you can see, but I'm gonna cut the tops off, and I'm gonna kind of go around on the inside and take the core out, rinse any additional seeds out, so that they look like this on the inside. Okay guys, so I wash dishes as I cook. Do y'all do that? So, you know, I think I had PTSD from when I was like in junior high school. They called it junior high school when I went to school, but it's middle school now. But don't let my mom come home from work and I didn't do the dishes. Oh my goodness. Child, I would be on punishment. You better get them dishes done before she got home. Okay guys, here is the ground chicken. And so when the rice gets done, I'm gonna mix that with this. I'm gonna, you know, drain this, of course, mix the rice in and the pasta sauce, okay? So keep watching. Okay guys, so here you can see I mixed the rice in. You can see that looks good, doesn't it? I mixed the rice in. So I'm gonna taste it to see if I need any other seasoning. I'm not a big super seasoning. Like I look at TikTok, and I'm blown by the amount of seasonings that they put in a lot of food. A lot of those seasonings contain a lot of salt. So, you know, I don't want too much salt. So I'm just gonna taste it to make sure that it's tasty, okay? So we really didn't need any more seasoning. I put a little bit more Italian seasoning in, but you know, no more salt, okay? I think people eat too much salt. Okay, so that's that. So I'm waiting for my green peppers. Then I will be ready to stuff them with this. And then I'll top them off with a little mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. And pop these bad boys in the oven, okay? I got my oven ready. All right, guys, keep watching. We getting there, y'all. We getting there. Keep watching. Check this out, guys. I measured this perfectly, okay, because I use 1.5 pounds of ground chicken. And so this is what we have come up with. So I'm gonna pop these in the oven on 350. This one right here broke because I cut it a little bit when I was cooking it. So I'm going to put these in the oven, you know, on 350 for about 30 minutes. And then the last 10 minutes, I'm going to add the cheeses. Okay, but right now, let me pour a little bit more pasta sauce on here. So, you know, that's what they're looking like, okay? So I'm gonna pop these in the oven, and then when we get about 10 minutes before they're done, I'm gonna add the cheeses, all right? So stay tuned for the reveal. And thank you guys for watching to this point, okay? I really appreciate you. Keep watching. Okay, guys, here's the reveal. So these are my stuffed peppers. I topped them off with cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese, and you guys saw that I stuffed them with ground chicken and rice. I added a little pasta sauce down at the bottom. You know, so this is a comfort food, I would say. So I probably will have maybe a salad and some Texas toast perhaps with this. But this is really a, you know, it wasn't too, you know, hard to fix. I mean, you know, it's pretty easy. I wouldn't say it's necessarily all that quick, but it's definitely easy. And it's an easy Sunday meal. You can have leftovers. So this is something that you guys might want to try. And I want to say, look, I do appreciate you watching my video, all of you. It means so much to me. If you like these types of videos, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you like this recipe, give me a big thumbs up. You know, hit that bell, not once, but twice, so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. And subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the family of friends of Jean Home Decor and more. So look, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. And until the next one, bye-bye.